Welcome to Lookeen. In this video I will show you how to download Lookeen and install it on your computer. The whole thing only takes 2 minutes. Let's get straight into it. To do this, please go to our website lookeen.com. At the top of the download page, you will find the Lookeen desktop download button on the left, which you can use to start the download. If you are interested in the Lookeen server, you can contact us using the button on the right. In the Windows download folder, you can now start the installation process by double-clicking on the .exe file. First, you must give your consent to the installation and specify in which language Lookeen should be installed. The first installation window will now open. Please make sure that no other applications are open during the installation. Once you have read the instructions and are ready, click on Next and accept the license agreement in the next step. Select the appropriate checkbox and click Next. If you want to use a different target folder for the installation, you can set that here. Otherwise, Lookeen will be installed in the standard Windows Programs folder. In the next step, you will be asked for the Start menu folder, which you can also set manually. Then click Next. In the next step, you can select whether a desktop icon should be created and the Outlook plugin should be installed. Then click Next again, and in the last step, click Install. Great! We have already done the first part. Lookeen is now installed on your system. You now have 3 options for starting Lookeen. First, by double-clicking on the Lookeen icon on your desktop. Second, via the system tray at the bottom right of your Windows bar. Or third, by pressing the Control key twice. After starting Lookeen, an index of your documents must be created in order to be able to search through them. To do this, select which drives should be indexed. To be able to fully use all Lookeen's functions, connect your Outlook account or Exchange server. To do this, follow the installation instructions. In the next step, you can activate the Lookeen AI. If you are not sure whether you want to use it, you can also activate this function at a later date under Settings. Do you already have a Lookeen license? Then please enter it in the following step. Do you have larger amounts of data to deal with? Then the Lookeen Enterprise server version could be the right one for you. Here you will find a link with further information. In the last step, click on Finish to complete the setup. Lookeen is now indexing your data. This may take a moment. And now you can finally get started. Have fun with Lookeen.